All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Reeboks, but before we get into that, make sure to like, subscribe, and also, song of the day, I'm going to have to give it to Big Sean and Metro Boomin with Who's Stopping Me. And if I'm being honest, I just put my playlist on shuffle, and this was the first song that came on, and I really like it. It's definitely one of my favorite Big Sean songs. I'm not a big fan of him, to be honest. Like, I don't listen to like all of his older albums. I don't really listen to Big Sean in general too much, but this is a really great song. You guys should really go listen to it. In my opinion, the best off of the collab album that they did. This is definitely my favorite song of theirs. And yeah, you guys should definitely go listen to it. And yeah, let's actually get into the pair of Reeboks. All right, so this is the box that the shoes come in. It's just a regular pair of Reeboks. I just saw it on their website, and I just decided to pick them up. I got a size 9. You guys probably can tell by the thumbnail what it is, so let's just get into it. Nothing crazy on the box, and I think these are really nice. If I'm being honest, I only really bought them because they remind me of the Legend Blue 11s, because they look similar, kinda. Obviously they have the patent leather blue, and then they're all white. That's pretty much the color scheme of the Legend Blues, and that's one of my favorite Jordan 11s of all time. But since I can't get those, these will have to do. And these are really nice. I bought them for $120, I believe, which for the quality, the leather is always really nice on Reebok shoes. I can't even cap. It's really good. My other pair of Reeboks had a couple quality control issues, which, you know, shit happens, understandable. And these actually look pretty fine. I'm not really seeing anything too bad on them. Let me show you guys the bottom. This is the only thing I don't like, if I'm being honest. This part reminds me of a fake Jordan, but at the end of the day, it's at the bottom. You're not really going to see it. But I love the upper, man. It just looks so clean. Let me show you guys the insole. Just Reebok in the light baby blue. On the back, just a little patent leather and a number 3. And as you can see, mine's a little dirty. I don't know why. Bro, I don't know, man. I've had a couple issues with Foot Locker recently, but like they've came through. I'm not even gonna lie. So they fixed like all the problems that they had, so shout out Foot Locker. But yeah, this shoe was definitely tried on, which kind of sucks, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna wear it, so I don't really care too much. The patent leather looks great. I did see a couple of videos where people had like the leather was like really creased and like really bad, to be honest. So I'm really happy both of my shoes came in perfectly fine. This one looks good, that one looks good. And let me actually put these back on the box and spin them around for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about these. Are you guys considering picking these up? For $120 or $30, it isn't bad at all. Like, to be honest, that's a really good deal. Again, leather quality is really good, and the sock liner is just a regular, it's a Jordan 3 sock liner. That's what it is. I don't really know what it's called, but yeah, this will definitely get dirty if you do wear black socks, and like every other color socks other than white, this will get dirty, just letting you guys know. So if you do need to clean that, like, good luck. It's gonna get like black and like brown and stuff. It's gonna get dirty eventually. The tongue is just like a little like mesh material. Very breathable, unlike the other pair of Reeboks I took a look at. It was just all leather, which made it really hard to breathe in. But yeah, I could see this being a really more, I guess, like basketball oriented shoe, other than the other ones that were kind of just like for looks. So yeah, your foot will definitely be able to breathe in these. And let me actually show you guys the Reebok logo. I love that little baby blue with the white. It's so nice. And also, in case you guys didn't know, the technology that they use isn't right here. It's only at the bottom down there. You can see it kind of. This is just for looks. I know a lot of people don't know that, but yeah, I've just decided to throw that in there. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about these. Is this a good pickup? Should I just get the Legend Blues instead of these? Let me know. Again, let me show you guys at 3. Yeah, these shoes are really nice. But yeah, let me actually put these on feet and show you guys. Okay, so looking at these shoes on feet, these look super clean and really big. They look extremely bulky, which I said that in my other Reebok review too. But yeah, just ignoring the bulkiness of the shoe, these look super nice. I'm really happy I was able to pick these up. And again, for like $120 or $30, you can't go wrong with this shoe, man. It's super nice. Quality is really good. Obviously, they're comfortable. Let me just stand up and show you guys real quick. You know, obviously, they're gonna be comfortable, man. They're a pair of Reeboks. I feel like Reebok always like pulls through with the comfort factor. Like they never like disappoint really. So yeah, let me know what you guys actually think about these shoes. Did you guys pick them up? Do you guys have a pair? And also another thing I wanted to throw in, this part will actually crease because here you can actually see it already. It's creasing a little bit. So yeah, just so you guys know that part. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.